After being convicted of a crime, have you ever wondered whether it would be possible to ever own or possess a firearm again? What types of convictions prevent a citizen from their God-given Second Amendment right, and whether or not your rights may be restored? Hello everyone, this is Attorney Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC. In today's topic, we are looking at what constitutes a specified felony and how that factors in to the firearms restoration rights process here in the state of Michigan. So stay tuned. So what is a specified felony? Generally speaking, most of us are taught that a felony is anything that imposes 1 year or more worth of imprisonment. For the purpose of firearms restoration rights and the process, a felony is defined as anything that imposes 4 years or more worth of imprisonment. In a previous post, we talked about what it looks like for a citizen to restore their rights if they have a non-specified felony, and you can find that article and that video topic on our website, radzwionlaw.com/blog. It will be under the Learn My Rights tab. But what is a specified felony? Generally speaking, the term specified felony contains elements of crimes that are defined in MCL 750.224 subsection F, section 10. Felonies that include an element of the threat of violence or an attempted threat of violence or use of physical force will constitute a specified felony. Another one would be the unlawful manufacture, possession, use, distribution of a controlled substance. Another one would be the unlawful distribution or possession of a firearm, the unlawful use of an explosive, and then also burglary of an occupied dwelling, or the breaking and entering of an occupied dwelling, and then also arson. Restoring your rights after a specified felony. What does that process look like? Well, for starters, a citizen must wait 5 years from the completion of all of the following. Number one, that they've paid all their fines imposed by the court for their conviction. They paid all their probationary fees or parole fees. They've successfully completed their probation or parole. And then also that their right to possess a firearm has been restored under MCL 28.424. In a different post, we will look at what it means to successfully complete probation, and then we will also look in another post what it means to have your rights restored under MCL 28.424. But for today, I'm going to give you some tips for preparing your case, and that means if you are contemplating on having your firearm rights restored, you can jumpstart the process by doing the following things. Number one, obtain any sort of documentation showing that you've paid all your court fees off, that you don't owe anything to the court, whether it's the court or the probation department. The second document you will want to obtain is anything that shows you've successfully completed probation or parole. Any sort of documentation you can obtain showing that your imprisonment term has been completed. The final step would be contacting a trusted attorney to consult with. They will be able to obtain any sort of documentation you may be unable to obtain, and they will be able to direct you on what the next step is. If you would like to retain Radzwion Law PLLC as your trusted attorney, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are here to protect you when you need it most, and we will fight for your freedom. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time. Comment, share, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification.